way, please make sure you have your seatbelt securely fastened. It is necessary now that you do remain seated with your belt fastened until we get to the gate and the captain turns off the overhead fasten seatbelt sign. Please return your seat back and tray table to the full operated locked position. Carry-on items you brought out need to be restored in the overhead bin or again pushed all the way under the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet and legs clear. If you have a large laptop computer, now is the time to power it down and stow it under the seat in front of you for us. And we are coming to the cabin one more time to pick up all remaining service items. Anything we pass out to you at this time we must collect. We do recycle, so we'll take recyclables separately. Thanks so much for joining us. Again, please make sure that seatbelt is securely fastened.